Hey y'all, welcome back to Ride Like a Pro 1. Today, last video I told y'all that I was gonna have some helmets, some gloves, and some riding jacket, and some boots, and some riding pants. So I done my research, and I found some helmets, I found some gloves, and I found some riding jackets, and I also found some riding boots and some riding pants. And so today we're going over some of these things that would be good to have if you are a beginner at riding for protection. The first one we're gonna go over is the helmets. And I done my research. All these helmets are DOT and ECE certified. So that's what you want to be. You want to be DOT certified or the ECE certified, and all these are. This one here is a nice helmet. I have it. I have one myself. Um, it'll run you anywhere. It'll run you anywhere from. Sorry about that, y'all. It'll run you anywhere from $100 to $300. This one will. Number two is the same kind. It's the number two though, and it'll run you anywhere from 250 plus. And number three is the same kind of helmet, but a little bit better. I mean, a little bit. It's it's the same name, but it's the same kind of helmet, really, and it'll run you anywhere from 150 to $200. The Shoei, we're going on up to the upper end of the helmets now. The Shoei GT Air 2. If it's budget friendly for you, this Shoei is a good name brand, and which this one is too. Well, but the Shoei is supposedly a little bit better name brand. Uh, the Shoei GT R2, it'll run you about $500 plus. If you budget ready, this will be a good helmet for you. But these are just as good. The gloves. The first ones are budget friendly. These first three are budget friendly for you. They'll run you about anywhere from $40 to $80, which would be the Alpine Star, and they have knuckle protection. Number two, the Icon 29er. They're lightweight and they got some mesh on them. Number three, Joe Rocket Supermoto leather. Now all these gloves right here will run you anywhere from $40 to $80, which is budget friendly. And right here, these gloves here is the mid range. They run you anywhere from 80 to 150. These right here, they're leather and mesh. You got a combination of leather and mesh. The Revit Sand 4, they're reinforced. They have the reinforced palms. Scorpion EXO SGS, they're leather and they have light impact protection on them. Okay, so we covered your helmets, which are all D dot certified and ECT certified. All the helmet, the glove, your helmets. Your glove is just, a nice riding glove, good riding glove. These two right here, your budget friendly and your mid range. Your riding jacket. You got the Alpine Star TGP Plus R. This riding jacket will run you about $279. The Revit Eclipse, that jacket will run you about $149. This one here, it'll run you about $250. So that's your riding jackets. Your riding boots. You got the Fly Rider M21. This here boot would run you about $69.95. This is another boot. You know, y'all see I'm not trying these Japanese names. They're correct spelled. This is correct spelled. And this is correct spelled. You know, y'all can try y'all luck with it if you want to, but I'm not gonna be on here and mess these names up because I would tear them names up. You hear me? So this is the correct spelling. Look it up and try your luck with pronouncing it. And this one, go ahead, look it up, try your luck with spelling that one too. You know, some of you probably can. But I'm not gonna get on here and mess this stuff up. When you can, you know, that's the correct spelling, you can go and, you know, find it, the names, because this is the correct spelling. And this here, that's the correct spelling. But this jacket, this riding boot here, it'll run you about $49. I would say about 50 some dollars for this boot here. And riding pants, you got the Milwaukee Leather Classic Fit. Now this jacket here, these pants right here, these pants here will cost you can get them about $199, well, $99. And this here, the motorcycle leather chaps, and these here you can wear jeans and chaps. You can just strap them over your jeans, and they're leather. You can just wear regular jeans and strap these chaps over your jeans, and you can get a pair of them chaps for about $69.95. Okay, so bear with me a second. Okay, and y'all ladies, I'm pretty sure y'all thought I done forgot about you. I hadn't forgot about y'all lady riders. Y'all can get some pants, your lady riding pants. You can go to hotleather.com and get you a pair for about $99 plus. Or you can go to Eagle Leather and get you a pair for $109 plus. And what I always say, we're going to wrap this video up with what we all want to do is, if y'all been watching my videos, you know this is what I say at the end, because this is the most important thing. We want to get back home safe to our families. That's what we want to do. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in my next video. If any of this stuff helps you, like and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. And God bless each and every one of you. Get back home safe. Goodbye.